Yo, the other day I see Yacksta. I do an interview with Simone Clark Cooper, and me I tell her say, yo, you know so I watch the interview and me I tell her say, yo, I want to come out and I wouldn't hear the you story. You understand me I say? Yeah man, I want to come out of my eye. I think me even drop a comment. You understand me I say and I big him up. But let me tell you, bumbuck like this Rasta. Then I come for come pun out the blood clot no Rasta. Me that you like this way, yo. Me a blood clot Rasta. In my heart. No because I have no knocky on my head. Rasta, you batty blood clot boy. And you for to suck your mother. Me not tell people to suck their mother. Then, but me have to tell you for to suck your mama. Me have to send you up under your mama Rasta. And you know why me have to send you up under your mama? You're on a blood clot Rasta. Because number one, before you issue up with people post the hole, you need to do your research. Then, before you issue up yourself with people, lick his dread boy, you need to do your research. Then, at that me make you know. Now me see you the part foot of your page and you have like foot of interview you or whatever. And you have to send the people under them mother. Number one, batty boy, let me tell you this. Rasta not tell people for to suck them mother. And at the same thing, Bwoiii Bantam do the other day and get fire burn. Then, what am I tell we anyone the wife for the SR mother? Rasta not deal with folly business and Rasta not do them thing there. Or Rasta not miss up in a bang there wrong. And foot a hype, you know brother. You should have stopped him right there and make him know for yo, brother, come on from the page. Yarn and a Rasta. Yarn and a Rasta. Batty boy Yaksta. Then, Rasta not tell people to suck them mothers, you know? Rasta man not deal with them king there. Bwoiii Yaksta a clock ya look. I'll never say this one more time. Near out your mama man. Cause you're not a Rasta. Bumbowl. Your damn blood clot dance up with ice speed like your blood clot, Bwoiii boy. Well, you're Bwoiii boy. You only for doing a research, yo. Only for doing a research. And every bumba clot. Bad energy, or come on, Jamaica, all of you each put yourself with. Bumbowl. Yaksta move your blood clot, you're not a Rasta. And me prove that to them. Me prove that to them for you're not a Rasta. Because me just see the life. You send people up under their mother. Rasta no do them king the Bwoiii boy. Rasta me blood clot, boy dread boy. Move your bum up.